I'm adding my final colour to my batik artwork, which is a black. It goes all over the cloth where the open areas are and no wax. This artwork I am later going to turn into a repeated pattern so that it can be used as a textile for homeware. You can learn how to do this too with me as I share with you the Photoshop skills. And here we go. The wax is now all out of my batik. Here's the result. So I put my artwork into Photoshop and now I drag it onto my canvas. I now go back to my artwork and I flip it horizontally. And I drag it onto my canvas. So there's now two artworks there. My next task is to flip my artwork 180 degrees. And then, as before, pull it onto my canvas. Here we go. We've now got three artworks there. I now go to my artwork and for the last time I flip it horizontally and you guessed it, pull it onto the canvas. So here we go. I now have 4 artworks on my canvas. Okay, now there's 4 artworks on my canvas. What I do is I push them, drag them together. What I'm basically creating is a new tile made up of 4 artworks. They're mirror images of each other, each tile, and they fit together perfectly. There you go. My task is now to duplicate this tile. There we go. And to drag it across so it fits perfectly next door to its companion. I now merge these 2 tiles together using the keys Command, Shift and E. My next task is to duplicate this tile. There you go, you can see me doing it. And once that's done, I separate it by dragging it underneath and fixing it perfectly next door to the top tile. And what I do now is go on and on in this vein until I've created lots of little artworks, making a beautiful textile pattern. And here is the result. Now what I want to do is see if I can change these colours. So I go File, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, and I take my cursor and I move it around. And you can see all the gorgeous colour combinations that I could choose. I'm going to choose the green and blues. I think this would work perfectly with my pinks and purples. And here's the final result, 2 fabulous duvets created from an original artwork. You can do this too, and you can get your duvets printed from some of the print-on-demand services you can find online. Enjoy!